Hello, I'm Eric. Welcome to the Detroit Denim Test Kitchen. I'm here to talk to you about your linen jeans. You might be part of that new elevated group that either has your linen jeans or should be getting them soon. Here's a case of Wayne, who will be getting his soon. They're missing the waistband. We're going to talk about what to expect, how to break them in, how to care for them, and we're even going to talk about repair if and when it comes to that. So let's get started, shall we? So we've got a couple different linen pair here, and they're sort of from brand new, semi-new, semi-old, old and worn. They're all linen, they're all the same material, and you can see the difference in them. When you get them, they're gonna be like this. They're gonna be a little bit stiff, a little bit thin. We like to call it crispy, and it's got a really nice kind of finish and sheen to it. They're going to break in more quickly than a regular cotton pair would as well. Here's Brenna's pair, and she's been wearing them for over a year. You can see, one of the big questions we have is, do these things wrinkle? And they do, but I say no more than what a regular pair of cotton jeans would. So you don't have to worry that they're going to be a wrinkled mess and that you have to iron them or anything like that. I will tell you, I've never ironed mine once, and I never will. And this is my pair, you can see. So I've been wearing mine for over a year and a half, and it's actually my very favorite pair of jeans that we have, and I wear them a lot. I even wear them in the winter just because they're just so nice and comfortable. And they're really comfortable in the summer. You can kind of see they've got some nice drape. You will get a little bit of pulling at the stitches just because it has a little bit of a looser weave, and it's quite all right. These are noticeably softer than these, and this just comes from where I've had them for a year and a half. I have not washed them, but I'll probably throw them in the wash pretty soon, which brings me to Ian. He's our production manager, and these are his jeans, and yeah, they're linen too, and you can see how much color has come out of them. He's washed his a fair amount. So what we know first is you're going to get them, they're going to be a little stiff. Just wear them as much as you can, look as cool as you can while you're wearing them, and you'll feel nice and cool too, and they'll break in pretty quickly, and they should be relatively comfortable from the get-go. They'll get a nice kind of silkiness or sheen and hand to them if you wash them. I'm not sure how many times Ian has washed these, but it's a fair amount, and this is one of the first linen pair we made, so they're over 2 years old. They are silky. They feel incredible. Ian was so kind to wear another pair of jeans today because I wanted to film these. I'm sure he's going to be wearing them tomorrow. If they get really bad or funky or sweaty or dirty, throw them in the wash. Cool water, laundry detergent, Woolite's fine, Tide is fine, all the others are fine. Don't bleach them. Don't send them to the dry cleaner, and then just hang them to dry. I just love how you can sort of see the wear as it takes place. What if you get them and they just don't fit? Call us. We stand behind our stuff. It doesn't make anyone happy if you get a pair of jeans, especially when you're spending a decent amount of money on something really well made and it doesn't work out. We don't want that disappointment. So let us know if you got fit issues. We'll help you out for sure. Let's talk about repair now. So you've got your jeans, you like them, you wear them a lot, you get a hole in it or whatever, and you can see right here, we have just the startings of a blowout, and I don't want to go too far, but we're going to repair that. So if you have a pair of these, if you get a hole like this, just send them in. You got to pay postage. We're not doing that, but we will fix them for free. We'll fix you up. We'll gladly mend your jeans. And so come with me, and we're going to fix up Brenna's jeans so she can wear them again. Here is the collection of some of our threads for the denim repair. These are our blues, our most used ones. And we'll be doing these for Brenna's jeans. So let's use this guy. We're going to thread up the machine here and give it a go. We'll feed the thread through. We're just going to kind of gently hold the jean where the where it would be without a hole. We're just gonna slowly back and forth it. And we're not in any race, but we don't want to go so slow that it bunches up. It's an amazing machine because what it really does is allows you to rebuild that fabric. We want to rebuild it in such a way that is how it used to be. And actually it'll be, when we're done, it'll be probably the most durable part of the jean. And we got a little teeny bit there, so let's get that while we're at it. This will be like new fabric too, so it will give a little bit as it's worn. We also have a little bit here, kind of the inner thigh, and we're just going to touch that up while we're at it. We'll just work our way down and then back up and we'll be done. I think that's a good place to stop. And just back up again. We don't want to cover the whole thing. We just want to mend it and keep it in place. You can feel it's very smooth and it'll break in really nicely. If you have a pair of Detroit denim jeans and you got a hole, like, man, let us fix them for you and keep wearing them. We want you to wear the jeans. Like, we want you to be real happy and wear them. So you can see the inside. We trim up a couple of the threads, and there is the repair. And we got a little wrinkle there, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm just gonna hit that with an iron. It's gonna smooth right out. So you get your linen jeans, wear those suckers, wash them every once in a while. When you get a hole in them, if you get a hole in them, send them back. We got you. If you got questions about your fit, give us a holler. We got you. Sometimes you'll notice the little threads poking out about, like, what do I do? Honestly, just cut it. You don't have to. Like, they're jeans and they look fine, but most all seams are finished. But you could see, get rid of it. No worries. Here's another interesting one. You can see the old patch that's been washed a couple of times. I would say, I'm guessing between 5 and 10 washes for these guys, where this has nothing, and you can see it's got, it's still got kind of the shininess. If you want this to go back, you can actually oil it. You could put a little shoe wax on it if you want, or even, honestly, vegetable oil is fine, but we condition all our stuff with neat's foot oil, and it wears kind of nicely. Here's a look at the shop. You can see Ian right there. Whoops, he ducked down. Now he's back up and he's cutting the jeans over there. And you can see the roll of denim. Wait just a second. That's where you get your jeans fixed. That's the console, and that's our backup. They're gorgeous machines. And then that is our Union Special chain stitcher. And those are in process jeans. Those are in process jeans. 2 jeans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair over there, ready for their waistbands. So you get to see the shop. And we just had a huge rain on Saturday, and thankfully no leaks.